Hello, I'm going to show you how to make apple appam. This is a very simple recipe which can be made in few minutes and a quick snack box option hence. Wheat flour, rice flour, jaggery powder from Totsandmoms, a little bit of salt and baking soda, cinnamon powder or cardamom powder, and some grated coconut. Nuts and seeds powder, a spoonful or two you can add to make it more nutritious. Now I'm taking an apple, removing the skin of it, grating it and adding it in here. You can mix it with water or milk and prepare the mixture like this. Now take a pan, a paddu pan or whatever you call this, and a spoonful of it inside and cook both the sides well. You need to cook it on low flame to ensure it is well cooked inside. So this apple appam is ready, and my son loved it. My daughter doesn't like sweet dishes at all, but it is not too sweet. It is light and nice. Give it a try.